James Arthur Ray is one of the 24 teachers included in the book, and
best-selling author James Arthur Ray, president and CEO of James Ray International.
Hello, this is James Arthur Ray. You might be familiar with me from the movie and the book The Secret, or maybe you're familiar with my New York Times bestseller, Harmonic Wealth. You might have seen my team and I get inducted into the Inc. 500 with one of the fastest growing, most successful privately held companies in the nation, if not the world. And I've got to tell you, I'm super thrilled and honored to be a keynote speaker at the Future of Technology conference coming up in Washington, D.C. for several reasons. Let me give you three really quick. Three reasons why you absolutely must be at that conference. Number one, we're going to have some of the greatest speakers and greatest minds from around the globe, speakers from NASA, from TSA, many governmental issues, to talk about technology, the cutting edge, the leading edge, new technologies and skills that you're going to need to be aware of to thrive and thrive boldly into the future. Secondly, you're going to get the leadership skills and the mindset necessary to reinvent and readapt. And I got to tell you, there are very few technological conferences that are talking about the people issues, but it's the people that are going to have to use technology. And I know that makes sense to you. A lot of people are afraid right now, but there's a tremendous amount of opportunity given that you learn how to adapt, reinvent, and lead your life and lead your business in a new, productive way. And the third reason that you want to be there is because my great friend and the promoter and the producer of this event, Mr. Shajid Nair, is doing this for a great cause. He has a deep, heartfelt commitment to make an impact on autism. And I think that's very noble. And so I'm looking forward to seeing you there. Make sure you come up and say hello and bring a pad and a pen or electronic notes because you're going to want to take a lot of them. See you soon.